Okay, now let's talk about how to build an investment portfolio. Although in this course we've learned a lot about REIT investing, this doesn't mean that you should only invest in REITs. In order to build your wealth effectively, you have to think of investing in different types of investments, which include exchange-traded funds or ETFs, value stocks, and dividend stocks. Okay, here's a typical diversified investment portfolio that you can learn from to build your own portfolio. If you've taken our other investing courses, you should have gotten familiar with this type of investment portfolio. You can allocate your capital as follows. Keep 10% of your money in your local bank. Invest at least 40% of your money in index funds or ETFs, 25% in value stocks, and the remaining 25% in income stocks. Although the return earned from your bank deposits is very small, it's worth keeping some money in the bank. We'll keep 5 to 10% of our money in the bank to ensure that we'll have enough money for emergencies or other urgent needs. In order to build a well-diversified portfolio, investing in index funds or ETFs is a must. Investing in ETFs is very important because it can bring you a stable stream of passive income, and you should think of putting at least 40% of your money into ETF investments. We'll focus on investing in both market index ETFs and market sector ETFs to build our wealth over the long term. If you want to learn more about ETF investing and learn how to create a new source of income by investing in ETFs, just check out our Investing 101 course. While investing in ETFs can bring you a long-term stable return, investing 25% of your capital in value stocks will help you grow your investment portfolio much faster. Investing in undervalued stocks and blue-chip stocks can bring you a good 15 to 25% annual return every year. By applying the right investment strategy and following some established stock picking criteria, you can easily find a high earnings potential business to invest in. In our value investing course, we'll teach you everything you need to learn to become a successful value investor. Besides investing in ETFs and value stocks, it's worth investing 25% of your money in income stocks, such as REITs or dividend-paying stocks. In this course, we've talked a lot about how to invest in REITs, so now you just need to apply everything you've learned to pick a profitable REIT to invest in. Besides investing in REITs, it's also worth investing in dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are very similar to REITs. Both REITs and dividend stocks can bring you a good stream of passive income. The thing I like about investing in income stocks is that I just need to find a good stock, put my money into it, and then collect the money back in the form of dividends. If you want to learn more about how to invest in dividend stocks, you can check out our dividend investing course. We'll teach you everything you need to learn to pick a profitable stock by yourself. Investing in index funds can bring you a steady long-term profit. Investing in value stocks will help you grow your money much faster. And investing in income stocks will bring you a good source of passive income. Now you have a robust investment portfolio, and you can stick with it to build your long-term wealth effectively.